Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix Telegram error. This channel cannot be displayed because it was used to spread inappropriate contents. So for us to be able to proceed, what you need to do for this one is we need to go ahead and troubleshoot first. So you need to make sure that you have the right internet connection onto your device. So make sure you're currently onto the right network, and once you're already onto that, just go ahead and try to reinstall the Telegram app. So you could go ahead and try to search for Apple Store in here or App Store. Once you're in here, make sure to search for the Telegram app. Right after, you have to go ahead and check if there is no update option in here. So if there is, you have to click onto that and you have to update your Telegram app. So make sure that you have the latest version for this one. And then right after, what you need to do as well, if you're still seeing the same error message, you need to go ahead and adjust the billing address or your iPhone region and GPS location for potential access. There might be some restrictions onto your region that is hindering you from opening that specific message. So to do that, you'll just need to head onto the settings of your device, and you'll just need to click onto the profile icon onto the upper part of settings, and right after, we have here the media and purchases. Click onto media and purchases and then click onto view account. So you need to make sure first you do Face ID, and once you're done with Face ID, you should be able to find in there the country or region. So this is the current country or region that I have. You'll just have to click onto that to change it. And since I'm currently subscribed to Apple Music, I won't be able to do so, but you could do that onto your end if you're not subscribed to any. So you just need to go ahead and update that one and make sure that you're onto the right region or onto a region where it has access onto that specific channel. And that is how to solve the error. This channel cannot be displayed onto Telegram. And if you think this has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.